Shall we sow a seed with Meenu today?
Good morning, Meenu. What are you doing?
Good morning, Buzz. Look, I have some mangoes. Do you want to eat some mangoes?
Yes, Meenu. I love mangoes. Isn't this mango very sweet?
Yes, Buzz. And it is very tasty also.
Meenu, from where do we get mangoes?
Buzz, mangoes grow on trees.
Like that tree?
Yes, Buzz. They grow on a tree just like that one. Look at that tree. Can you see some small mangoes hanging from it?
Oh yes, I can. We should also grow a mango tree in our house. Meenu, how do we grow a mango tree?
We can grow a mango tree by sowing a mango seed inside the soil. Look, I have eaten my mango and I have the seed with me.
Can we grow a mango tree with the help of this mango seed?
Yes, why not? You can grow a mango tree by sowing me inside the soil.
Oh, whose voice is that? Meenu, help, help! Who are you?
Hello, I am the mango seed. Don't be afraid of me. I am your friend. I will tell you how you can grow a mango tree.
Oh, you scared me, Seed. You know how to grow a mango tree? Will you tell us how we can grow a mango tree from a small seed?
Yes, Buzz, I will. My sister's seed was sown in the soil here some time back by Grandma.
Grandma sowed a mango seed, but there is no baby plant here now. What happened to the seed then?
Wait, let me find out. Meenu, will you just take me near the ground? Hello, is anyone there?
Yes, seed. Can you hear me? I am inside the soil.
Oh, yes, we can. So, why have you not come out as a baby plant?
It is still not time for me to come out. I am sleeping inside.
When will you come out then?
Oh, after another 2 days.
Okay, little seed. We will wait for you. We will meet you after 2 days.
Okay, let's go inside the house now. Seed, you also come with us. We will come back after 2 days and see if the baby plant has come out.
Meenu, Seed, come out. Come quickly. Look, a tiny plant has come out of the soil.
Ooh, such a tiny beautiful plant. Seed, your sister has grown into a beautiful tiny little plant.
Yes, that's how a seed grows and comes out of the soil.
Seed, this is like magic. 2 days back, your sister spoke to us from inside the soil. Now, she has come out as a tiny plant. How did this plant grow from a seed?
I will tell you, Buzz.
First tell me how a tiny seed grows into a big tree.
Oh, Buzz. Don't ask too many questions. Seed will tell you how.
I know. You want to know how a small seed grows into such a big tree. It is the same way in which a small child grows into a big person, or a small animal grows into a big one.
I see people grow, but how can a seed grow?
You can also see a seed grow.
We can see a seed grow? That must be very interesting. But how can we do that?
You have to take a mud pot first for that.
Wait, Seed. First, let me go get a mud pot. Okay, here is our mud pot.
That's a nice mud pot, Meenu. Now, make a small hole at the bottom of the pot.
A small hole at the bottom of the pot? But why?
Do you know plants and trees have roots? Roots need air to breathe. That is why you have to make that small hole at the bottom of the mud pot so that the roots can breathe.
Okay, now I know. Let me make a small hole at the bottom now. The hole is ready, Seed. What should we do after that?
Then fill the pot with mud. I will wait for you, Meenu. Have you filled the pot with mud? Now you can sow a seed inside the mud.
Meenu, look. I have brought a seed. Will you sow it, please? Okay, that is done. Meenu has sowed the seed. That's it. Now, the tiny plant will come out in some days.
No, Buzz. Seeds don't grow just like that. Just like people need food, air and water to grow and live, seeds also need air, water and sun to grow. So, after you sow a seed, you must water it. It is very, very important to water it.
I know that it needs water. Let me put some water in this pot. I will keep it here outside the house so that it can get air and sunlight also.
You are right, Meenu. Seeds and plants need air and sunlight also to grow. Now you have to wait for a few days for a tiny little plant to come out of the soil.
Oh, I am so happy. I can see the seed grow. I will keep a watch. As soon as the plant comes out, I will say hello to it. But seed, do we grow all plants by sowing a seed?
No, Buzz. All plants don't grow from a seed. There are different ways of growing a plant.
Different ways of growing a plant? What is that? I didn't know that. What are the different ways of growing a plant?
There are many ways. Some plants are grown by sowing seeds.
I know that. And
some plants are grown by planting their stem, like a sugar cane. Some are even grown by sowing the roots. So, there are different ways of growing a plant. It is not always by sowing a seed.
seed, I like honey. But what do plants and trees eat?
Oh, you forgot. Meenu said it just now. Plants need carbon dioxide from air, then sunlight and water also. Do you want to see it for yourself?
Yes, that would be fun. I would love to see it for myself. But how?
Very simple. I will tell you an easy experiment. First, you have to take some chickpeas and 3 bowls. When the insect or animals go inside the plant, the leaf closes and does not open again.
Oh, it is a very clever plant. I am very scared of this plant. What if it attracts me?
Oh, no, Buzz. This plant is not found everywhere. It is found only in a few places. But anyway, please don't go near that plant.
Oh, I didn't know that plants are so dangerous.
Buzz, not all plants are dangerous. There are some plants which are very useful, and even their seeds are useful.
I know, Seed. I know plants are very useful. We need them for many things every day. We eat the leaves, seeds, fruits, and even roots of many plants.
Seeds? Which seed do you eat, Meenu?
Oh, we eat many seeds, Buzz. Remember, we ate chickpeas for dinner yesterday. Even chickpea is a seed.
Yes, chickpea is a seed. It is very good for health. But before you eat it, you should soak it well. It is best to have the chickpeas when they have sprouted.
Sprouted? What does sprouted mean?
I will tell you. First, we must soak the chickpeas well in water for a long time. After it is soaked well, we must drain the water. Then, after a day, small roots come out of the chickpeas. It is called sprouted chickpeas.
Ooh, I remember a funny thing that happened in Sheila's house one day. I will tell you what happened.
Tell me, Meenu. Please tell me quickly.
Okay, Sheila had invited all of us to have breakfast at her house. Sheila's mother had soaked 2 cups of chickpeas in water in a container. Sheila thought that it would not be enough for all her friends. So she added 2 more cups of chickpeas to the container. When Sheila's mother saw it the next day, the vessel was overflowing. There was so much chickpeas that she had to invite all the neighbors also for breakfast.
Oh, that would have been fun. Everyone would have had a treat. But how did that happen? Why did the chickpeas overflow?
When you soak chickpeas in water, it absorbs the water and becomes big. It becomes more than double its original size. So the chickpeas soaked all the water and became really fat. The container was then not enough for all the chickpeas, so they started overflowing.
That was really funny that day. Sheila felt very bad. But Seed, is there any other way in which the chickpeas can be sprouted without soaking them in water?
Yes, there is a way. If we wrap the chickpeas in a wet cloth, the chickpeas will still sprout.
Oh, so chickpeas can be sprouted like this also. Are seeds only used for sprouting?
Oh, no, Buzz. Seeds are very useful for many things. Many seeds are used to make spices. People eat many seeds also.
But Seed, how do these seeds reach us?
There are many ways, Meenu. Seeds are carried to different places by different ways.
Look what Raja has got in his mouth.
Oh, that is a seed. Look, Raja is carrying it. He is moving it from one place to another. Different animals also help move the seed from one place to another.
Yes, the way Raja has got the seed in his mouth. Raja, do you know you have moved the seed from one place to another?
But why do animals and people do this, Seed? Do they know that they are moving the seed from one place to another?
Meenu, some do it knowingly and some do it unknowingly. Do you know that some seeds move on their own?
Seeds move themselves on their own? How is that?
Some seeds are such that they fly with the wind. They just move with the wind and go to different places. But some seeds get stuck to people's clothes and then move from one place to another.
Oh, even seeds seem to fly like birds. It's as if they have wings.
Good, you reminded me of birds, Meenu. Even birds help transport the seeds from one place to another.
Seed, I now know that animals and birds transport seeds from one place to another. Do people also help transport seeds from one place to another?
Yes, Meenu. People play the biggest role in transporting seeds from one place to another.
How is that?
We all know that people love to travel from one place to another. People also bring back things that they like from different places.
Yes, that is right. When Chinu went to Nagpur last year, he liked the oranges there. So, he bought some oranges when he came back.
See, I was right. In the same way, seeds even get transported from one country to another. There are many such seeds.
Many such seeds? I did not know of them. Seed, do you know their names?
Yes, why not? I will tell you. Okay, listen. Potato, tomato, chili have come from America. Cauliflower and peas have come from Europe. Coffee and ladyfinger have flown from Africa. Mango, orange and banana have come from our country. Same as lettuce, meathi and radish, whose homes are in India. Meenu, it's time for me to go. I also want to grow into a big tree.
Oh, Seed, I know you also want to become into a big mango tree. We will miss you.
No. Press me into the soil in your courtyard itself. You will not miss me then. I will grow into a nice big mango tree.
Okay, Seed. I will plant you in our garden itself. You will get lots of air, water and sunshine. And we will also take good care of you. Friends, even you can plant a seed and watch it grow into a big tree. Or else you can plant the stem or root of a plant. Will you also plant today? Can you tell where these grow? Rose plant. In water or in a mud pot? In a mud pot? Neem tree? On the ground or in a mud pot? On the ground? Lotus
plant?
On the ground or in water? In water. Apple tree. On the ground or in water? On the ground. Will you tell which of these sentences are true and which are false? Can you think of correct answers for the false sentences? Mango grows on trees. True. We can grow a mango tree by planting a mango seed. True. Roots do not need air to breathe. False. Seeds need air, water, and sunlight to grow. True. Some plants are grown by planting their stem. True. Pitcher plant eats living things. True. Only animals eat plants. False. Seeds can be transported by animals, wind, water, and even people. True. Sprouted seeds are harmful to eat. False. Seeds are great travelers. True. Some vegetables and fruits came to India from other countries. Some belong to India. Shall we help Buzz Match them. India. Mango, banana, spinach. South America. Potato, tomato, chili. Africa. Coffee, ladyfinger. Europe, cabbage, peas. Let us help Bert fill up the blanks now. Seeds need and to grow. Water, air, sunlight. Seeds need water, air, and sunlight to grow. Plants can be grown from a or seed, stem, root. Plants can be grown from a seed, stem, or root. The eats living things. Pitcher plant. The pitcher plant eats living things. Eating seeds is good for health. Sprouted. Eating sprouted seeds is good for health. When you soak chickpeas, they the water and become big. Absorb When you soak chickpeas, they absorb the water and become big. Many seeds are used to make spices. Many seeds are used to make spices. Seeds are transported to different places by and wind, water, animals, people. Seeds are transported to different places by wind, water, animals, and people. Shall we answer some questions now? Friends, will you write the answers in your notebook also? What does a seed need to grow? A seed needs air, water, sunlight, and good soil to grow. What are the different ways of growing plants? Plants can be grown by sowing their seeds, roots, or by planting their stem. The pitcher plant is an interesting plant. Can you tell why? The pitcher plant traps and eats frogs, insects, and even rats. This plant has a special smell which attracts these insects and small animals. How are seeds useful to us? We eat many seeds. Sprouted seeds are very good for our health. How do you sprout seeds? Seeds like chickpeas, whole green grams, etc. must be soaked in water overnight. Then, after draining the water, the seeds have to be tied in a wet cloth and hung. After a day, small roots start coming out of the seeds. This is called sprouting. Can you name some of the seeds that we use as spices? Mustard, fenugreek, sesame, coriander, pepper, cumin, aniseed. Can you name some of the seeds of vegetables that we eat? Peas, corn, ladyfinger, beans, drumstick, pumpkin. Can you name some of the seeds of fruits that we eat? Pomegranate, jackfruit, coconut. Can you name some of the seeds that we cook and eat? Chickpeas, green gram, Bengal gram, kidney beans, yellow gram. Who all help in transporting seeds from one place to another? Animals, birds, wind, water, and even people help to transport seeds from one place to another. Friends, do you want to do a fun activity? Why don't you all collect seeds? Then you can group them as flat seeds, fat seeds, light seeds, heavy seeds, soft seeds, hard seeds, and so on. You can all join together and do this activity.